Cyborgs. What if I told you an Indian startup, born in a tiny Chennai apartment with zero VC funding, just hit 1.4 billion in revenue, bootstrapping its way to rival Google Workspace for millions of teams? That's Zoho, the underdog story of Sridhar Vembu, privacy-first tools, and a suite that powers 250,000 plus businesses worldwide. No ads, no data sales, just pure innovation. I'm your host from Curious Cyborgs, and today we're unpacking Zoho's full origin, killer features, and why it's the Google Workspace alternative for SMBs in 2025. If you're ditching pricey suites, this is your blueprint. Subscribe and let's launch. Rewind to 1996. Sridhar Vembu, a Tamil Nadu farm kid turned IIT Madras whiz, teams up with Tony Thomas and his brother Sekar to launch AdventNet in a suburban Chennai flat. No fancy Silicon Valley, just grit and family loans. They start with network management tools for SMBs, expanding to Japan by 2001 and launching ManageEngine for IT ops in 2002. Fast forward, 2005 drops Zoho CRM and Writer, their first online office app, kicking off the Zoho suite. By 2008, they've got 1M users with mail and invoicing. 2009, rebrand to Zoho Corporation. Zoho, a twist on Soho, small office, home office, since Soho.com was taken. No VC, no IPO, Vembu bootstraps for freedom, hitting 25 years in 2021 with 17,000 plus employees across 80 countries. Today, $1.4 billion revenue in 2024, up 27% YOY, 8.4% CRM market share, and 100 million plus users, mostly SMBs in US, India, Europe. Question: can India's homegrown hero topple Google? Zoho's magic? A massive ecosystem of 55 plus integrated apps, no silos, all cloud-based for seamless workflows. Zoho Workplace, your Google rival. Mail for ad-free email. Writer, Sheet, Show for docs, sheets, slides with real-time collab. WorkDrive for 1 TB plus secure storage. And Click for team chat video. Beyond this, Zoho CRM, top-rated for sales automation, books for accounting, people for HR, projects for task, MGMT, all AI boosted by Zia. Launched 2017, now with 2025's Zia LLM for smart insights. Privacy? No data mining. GDPR compliant from day one, unlike ad-driven giants. Value tip: customized dashboards in minutes, perfect for SMBs scaling without IT headaches. With 250,000 plus CRM customers and 4.65 Gartner ratings, it's no wonder 75M users jumped during the pandemic. Pro move: start with free tiers to test integrations. Head-to-head with Google Workspace, Zoho wins on affordability and control. One user standard versus Google's $6 business starter, unlimited storage options, and flexible plans for growing teams. Google edges on polish and ecosystem, 5K plus integrations versus Zoho's 500, but Zoho's ad-free, bias-free AI shines for privacy hawks. Reddit raves: Zoho's cost-effective and reliable, no AI suspensions like Google. For SMBs, Zoho's sweet spot. It's 40% cheaper with better customization. Enterprises? Google scales easier. Both score 4.65 on Gartner. Your call: budget hero or seamless giant. Value hack: migrate via Zoho's free tools to save 50% on workspace fees. Zoho's 2025 glow up: 27% revenue jump to $1.4 billion, 100 million plus users, 8.4% CRM share, fueled by SMB adoption in India, 15% market, and US, 49%. Bootstrapped philosophy: 25 rural India dev centers, no layoffs, Vembu's value in the overlooked. Future: Zia LLM, July 2025, for smarter analytics, Vani for visual collab, pushing 2 billion by 2026. Impact: empowers 250,000 firms to ditch expensive tools, boosting efficiency 30%. For Indian startups, Zoho's local servers cut latency 50%. Here's the key takeaways. 1. Zoho's origin proves grit funding, $1.4 billion without venture capitalists. 2. Features like Zia AI deliver 40% productivity gains, privacy intact. 3. Versus Google, save 50% plus for teams under 300. Action step: sign up for Zoho's free workplace tier today. Migrate emails in hours. That's Zoho's epic saga. From Chennai dreams to global disruptor. Comment below you take on this new Google competitor. Like this video if this inspired you, and subscribe to Curious Cyborgs for more videos on AI breakthroughs, space quests, and tech tales that shape the future.